Hey everybody, welcome back to Eagle Extractor. Today I'm going to show y'all how to throw a 8-foot net out of a canoe. We're going to see if we can catch some shrimp here. That's the technique right there. Load your net up like that. See what we're gonna catch. About 25 foot of water right here. So I got my horn line on my cast net. Net's on the bottom now. See what we got. My anchor's not holding. Not bad for a cast, but we ain't got the shrimp yet. The shrimp ought to be running a little later on.